Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mielle Rosemary Mint Oil. To begin, apply a small amount of the oil directly to your scalp. Gently massage it in for about 5 to 10 minutes to stimulate circulation. For optimal benefits, incorporate this into your routine 2 to 3 times per week. This simple step helps nourish your scalp and promotes a healthy environment for hair growth. For overall hair strengthening, consider a hot oil treatment. Mix the rosemary mint oil with a carrier oil, like jojoba or almond, and warm it slightly. Apply this mixture evenly from your hair roots to the very ends. Let it sit for about 30 minutes, allowing the nutrients to deeply penetrate, then shampoo and condition as usual for stronger, healthier strands. If you're looking to address split ends, this oil can help. Take just a tiny amount and gently work it into the very ends of your hair. This helps to smooth the cuticles and provide a protective barrier. You can do this daily, but remember, a little goes a long way to avoid making your hair appear greasy. Focus on the tips for best results. Before full application, always perform a small patch test to ensure no adverse reactions. Store your Mielle Rosemary Mint Oil in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its potency. Remember, consistency is truly key when using this product. Regular application, as recommended, will yield the most noticeable and satisfying benefits for your hair and scalp health.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.